Example 3. N divided by n minus 3 equals 4/3. And once again, we're going to multiply these two together, and we're going to multiply these two together. N times 3 is the same thing as 3n. And then it's going to be 4 times n minus 3. By the way your Algebra 1 teacher taught you, I again continue to solve by moving my letter to the left. So I'm going to subtract 4n from both sides. And then finally we can divide both sides by -1. And n equals 12 again. If we look over here on problem number 4, we're going to cross multiply. So it's going to be here and here. So we're going to get 7 times x minus 10 equals 9x. And we're going to distribute 7x minus 70 equals 9x. And I know that I almost always move my letter to the left, but in this case, what's going to happen is if I move the 7x over to the right side, I will have the number on one side of the equation, on one side of the equals, and I'll have the variable on the other side. Well, I am going to move the 7x to the right here. I don't do that very often, but we get negative 70 equals 2x, and divide both sides by 2. So we end up with x equals negative 35. Or here, we've got p plus 10 divided by p minus 7 equals 8/9, but the process is still the same. When we've got one fraction set equal to another fraction, it's a proportion, and we can multiply this. So we're going to get 9 times p plus 10 equals 8 times p minus 7, which means that we're going to have to distribute on both sides of the equation. 9 plus 90 equals 8p minus 56, and now we want to solve. So we're going to subtract 8p from both sides, and we end up with, got to be able to see it, p plus 90 equals negative 56. Going to move this up so we can see it here. P plus 90 equals negative 56. So we're going to subtract 90 from both sides. Again, reminder, use Desmos if you need to. So we get negative 56, and that gives us negative 146.